Telling terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without no full restrictions. You're welcome versus never welcome. Today, we're talking about two powerful phrases. One open doors, the other closes them faster than a dog hearing vacuum cleaner. This video is all about humor, communication, boundaries, and kindness. One, your welcome feels friendly. Someone says thank you and you reply you're welcome instantly. Polite, warm, civilized, bonus, humanity, points unlocked. Two, never welcome, sounds harsh. Imagine opening a door and hearing you're never welcome here. That escalated quickly. Sometimes people use harsh phrases when angry, but calm communication usually works better. Three, pizza changes everything. Comrade, can I come over? Normal answer, you're welcome anytime. Comrade carrying pizza, you're extremely welcome. Four, tone matters. Even kind words sounds scary with the wrong tone. Suddenly, it feels like a movie villain accepted your gratitude. Five, hospitality exists worldwide. Different cultures welcome guests differently. Tea, snack, hugs, sleepers at the door. Hospitality is one of the most universal form of kindness. Six, group chats have different rules. You're welcome in the group. 5 minutes later, 800 unread messages, 42 memes, and one mysterious sticker nobody understands. Seven, boundaries are also important. Being welcoming doesn't mean accepting bad behavior. Example, disrespect, bullying, stealing. Healthy boundaries, protect face. Eight, online game, be like, never play. Hi everyone, comrade team, welcome, competitive player. If you miss one shot, uninstall. Reminder, games are more fun even when people are respectful. 9. Pets decide who's welcome. Dogs, everyone is welcome. Cats, application denied. 10. Famous last words at family parties. You're welcome to eat. One relative takes half of the food. Home, family, okay, maybe slightly less welcome next time. 11. Respect makes a space better, whether online or offline. Welcoming energy helps people feel safe and included. A simple glad you're here can brighten someone's day. Kindness travel internationally. 12. Awkward situation exits. Person, thank you. Other person accidentally replied, no problem. Love you silence. Brain buffering activated. 13. Real welcome means respect. Being truly welcoming means listening, respectful, showing kindness, creating positive spaces. You don't need a luxury to make people feel valued. Sometimes a smile is enough. So, which one are you? The friendly, you're welcome, or the guarded, never welcome? Without snack type. Funniest, polite moments, and remember, good manners never gone out of style.